Good Wednesday morning. It is January the 13th, and I actually have a few announcements for you guys. I actually have three things I'm going to cover today, and so be patient. The first one is the sun is out, and so I don't know about you, but this fog sometimes becomes really overwhelming for me, and so I'm just going to encourage you guys today, open up your blinds, let the sun in. Actually, maybe even, I know this is crazy, walk outside your house and like feel the sun on you. Okay, it will boost your mood incredibly. So that is your mental health tip for today. The second thing I wanted to cover is I've been getting a lot of emails regarding the syllabus test, and that there is one question that it seems like there is some information on the syllabus and on the Start Here module that does not match. And so I'm aware of that. So here's what I'm doing. Again, we all make mistakes, and part of this is I've changed up some things between last semester and this semester, and so things just ended up not matching accidentally. So I will give everybody 1 point on that syllabus quiz. However, I'm not going to give that until Monday because not everybody has taken the test or taken the quiz, and it's not due till Sunday night. So therefore, it's just too difficult to figure out who did I give a point to, who haven't I given a point to. So yes, I'm aware. So you guys don't have to keep on emailing me. I'm aware. I've gotten probably about more than a dozen emails about that conflict in the information. The third thing, and this is really important, today is Wednesday the 13th, and therefore you have some homework due today. You're getting to know me discussion post. You don't have to respond yet, but at least post by 11:59 tonight. Okay? So those are the three things I wanted to cover for today. I hope you guys are having an awesome week, the first week of school. Just think, when you're done with this week, there's only 15 weeks left. Yay! Okay, we'll talk to you soon.